Because compassionate communities are complicated, they don't necessarily fit a simple scientific model of evaluation. You instead have to think about things a bit differently and pay greater attention to context, culture, and have an open mind when it comes to thinking about outcomes of interest. This is perhaps probably my most important point in the chapter, because sometimes it can feel that the clamour to provide evidence of an effect can sometimes dismiss what's important. So I've reviewed most of the scientific literature as part of my work, and I've categorized the evidence into two main sections. The first relates to a community's capacity to act as an agent of care, and the second is about how they do this. And here the evidence is all within processes and techniques used in developing a community's capacity to care. So I write about social capital, community engagement, empowerment, responsibility, and motivation, what drives us to make it.